GetSign now automatically recognizes form fields inside your uploaded document templates, instantly filling them with the necessary text boxes and checkboxes. To get started, simply upload a document template. Once it's uploaded, it will open in the GetSign editor, where the form fields are detected automatically. You'll then have the option to migrate the fields into GetSign with a single click. When you select Migrate Fields, all the text boxes and checkboxes are placed automatically. Just give it a moment, and as you'll see, your document will already be filled with form fields. From here, you can review each field individually. You can mark fields as required, edit the text, assign them to a signer, or map them to existing columns in Monday.com. You can even create new columns directly from this screen. Once you're done making adjustments, simply save your changes and send the document for signature collection. Thank you for using GetSign. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to us for support.